The four-stroke engine comprises of the intake stroke. In this stroke, the intake valve is open and exhaust valve is closed, while the piston pulls in air into the cylinder by producing vacuum pressure into the cylinder through its downward motion. The compression stroke. In this stroke, both the intake and exhaust valves are closed, therefore the air is compressed. At the end of this stroke, the pressure and temperature in the chamber is increased, and this also produces a full revolution of the crankshaft. The power stroke. In this stroke, both the intake and exhaust valves are closed. At the beginning of the power stroke, the injector injects the fuel into the combustion chamber. The moment fuel enters the combustion chamber, due to high temperature of compressed air, fuel gets self-ignited, which in turn causes a very rapid combustion of fuel. Exhaust stroke. In this stroke, the exhaust valve is open, while the piston pushes in exhaust gases out of the chamber.
Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you are behind.